In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google keeps asking to fill image captcha. 5 minutes. If you're seeing those endless image challenges every time you search, it usually means Google is detecting unusual traffic from your device or network. This can be triggered by VPNs or proxies, stale cookies, aggressive privacy extensions, or an outdated browser. Let's walk through reliable fixes in a quick, clean order. Start by opening your usual browser and make sure your connection is stable. A fresh session helps us see changes as we go. Next, turn off any VPNs or proxies. These services often route you through shared IP addresses that many people use at once, which can look bot-like to Google. Disable them at the app level and in your operating system's network settings. If your workplace or school forces a proxy, just know this may continue until you test on a different direct connection. Then, clear your browser cache and cookies, or your recent browsing history. This removes old identifiers that can keep you stuck in the challenge loop. In most browsers, you can search for clear browsing data in settings, choose cookies and cached images and files, and pick a time range like last 7 days or all time. You'll likely be signed out of some sites, so have your logins ready. After that, check any ad blockers or privacy extensions. Some of them block scripts that Google uses to verify you're human. Temporarily disable them or create an exception for google.com and related services. A quick test in a private or incognito window with no extensions enabled is a fast way to confirm if an add-on is the cause. Make sure your browser is fully updated. Updates include security and compatibility fixes that help with verification checks. Go to your browser's About page, apply any update, and restart the browser to complete the process. If the issue continues, try a different browser or device to isolate the problem. You can also reboot your router to request a new IP address. Power it off, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Some internet providers may assign the same address again, but often you'll get a new one, which can clear a temporary reputation flag. That's it. Follow these steps and your searches should return to normal without constant image captchas. If you still see challenges after all this, give it a little time and avoid rapid fire searches. Normal behavior will usually reset the checks.